Hello students, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you how to solve question number 7, 8 and 9 of exercise 2, and all these are related to addition and subtraction. So this is exercise 2. I hope you can see clearly, and question number 7, 8 and 9, and it is on page number 17. Okay, page number 17. So question number 7 is sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is 7, 6, 7, 8, and if one of them, so in this book there is a misprint. It is written then. In the book it is THEN. So it is THEM then. Okay, so make a correction. If one of them is 4, 6, 1, 3, find the other number. Now it is given that sum of two numbers is 7, 6, 7, 8, and one number is 4, 6, 1, 3. Find the other. In this case you will perform subtraction, because sum of these two numbers, दो numbers का sum ये number आता है. तो अगर एक number आपको पता है, आपको मालूम है, तो आप दूसरा number subtraction से पता कर सकते हैं. So you can write other number is 7, 6, 7, 8 minus 4, 6, 1, 3. In this way you will do subtraction, and keep it in your mind that it is minuend, it is subtrahend. This is bigger, this is smaller. So bigger number is written upside, smaller downside. Now perform subtraction. So easily you can do 8 minus 3, 5, 7 minus 1, 6, 6 minus 6, 0, and 7 minus 4, 3. So this is the answer of question number 7. So let's check it. Exercise 2, question number 7. It is 3065. Okay. Now come to next question. Question number 8. That is about addition and subtraction both. Means you have to perform both addition and subtraction. 8th question. So I write the question. Mohan has amount of rupees 10,000. He bought wheat for rupees 4500 and rice for rupees 1600. Question is, how much money does he have? Okay. So check question. Mohan has an amount of 10,000. He bought wheat for rupees 4500 and rice for 1600. How much money does he have? Now the solution is, it is given that Mohan has total amount rupees 10,000 and he bought wheat for this amount and rice for this amount, and how much money does he have? इसका मतलब क्या है? ये जो टोटल अमाउंट है उसमें से इसने 4500 एंड 1600 स्पेंड कर दिया है, ठीक है, मीन्स खर्च कर दिया है. बाकी कितना बचा? इट मीन्स both these values will be added together, and then the answer will be subtracted from 10,000. So you can write your answer in this way. Total money spent, okay? Total money spent equals rupees. You have to add both these values. Rupees 4500 plus rupees 1600, and in the form of addition you can also write as rupees 1600. Perform the addition, so easily you can perform. What will be the sum? 0 0, 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry, and it becomes rupees 6100. Now you will write money left. You can write money left, okay, is rupees 10,000 minus rupees 6100, and write this value very carefully, because there are 4 digits and there are 5 digits. So in the column wise, okay, and number will be justified to the right hand side. So आप right hand side से लिख सकते हैं 0016 0016, and there will be nothing below this one. Now I hope you can do this subtraction. So 0 minus 0 0, again 0, but now what happens? 0 minus 1 not possible, so take a borrow from 1, it becomes 10. 10 minus 6 4, okay, and 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 1 9, and here this is 0 0, and now it becomes 10 minus it is, wait, let's do again, okay. 0 minus 0, it is 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1 not possible, so it becomes 10. 10 minus 1 9, and as I told you, if there are continuous zeros, then you can just convert all the zeros into 9 and last 0 into 10. So this becomes 10 minus 9, it becomes 9. So 9 minus 6 3, and this one becomes 0. Then the answer will be 3900. So finally Mohan will have rupees 3900, and this is the answer of question number 8. So this is the case of both addition and subtraction. So be careful. Now last question, question number 9. Do practice regularly. You have to maintain a rough notebook for the regular practice. Otherwise, the easier questions will be difficult for you. 9th question. So it is much bigger. I just read it. A total of 8,976 children were given drops of pulse polio under Bagwas Panchayat in 3 phases. So 2780 children were given drops in first phase and 2925 children in second phase. How many children were given the drops in the third phase? What is the meaning of this question? See, एक विलेज है जिसमें पल्स पोलियो का एक प्रोग्राम है, उसमें कुछ चिल्ड्रन हैं जिनको ड्रॉप्स देनी है, ओके, रिगार्डिंग पल्स पोलियो. सो देयर आर फ्यू फेजेस. इन फर्स्ट फेज 2780 children were given. In second phase 2925 students were given. So how many students were given that medicine in third phase? I hope you understood what to do. So we will write the total number of students who given the drops in both the phases. So total children, it is total children okay, we will write total number of children in first and second phase equal, just add the values 2780 plus 2925, okay, and add this is 5, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 9 17, 1 carry, and it is 5. Check it again. Okay, and finally in the next step you will get the answer. So number of students in third phase, number of okay, it is children in third phase equal. So here you have to perform subtraction. How many total children are there? 8 9 7 6. So it is 8 9 7 6 minus 5 7 0 5. So we have to perform subtraction. See, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 0 7, 9 minus 7 2, and 8 minus 5 3. These are the total number of children who are given drops in third phase. So let's check the answer. Question number 9. The answer is 3271. Students, this exercise is all about addition and subtraction only. Okay, so be careful and solve the questions given in your homework, and stay with your family, stay at home, stay healthy. Okay, so best of luck for the assignment.